Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 11 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So we have to start with opening the keyboard, so we can open it in the messages, notes, browser, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen, and all we have to do right now is to tap on the three dots icon which will appear on this panel. If for some reason you do not have it, no worries, just tap on this arrows icon and it should slide up. So let's tap on the three dots icon and enter the settings. Then let's tap on the languages, and as you can see, we've got two, right now at least, two different sections of this list. We've got our languages, so those which are currently applied, and we've got pre-installed languages. Be aware that this pre-installed languages section is quite short, so it may happen that you will not find your language right here, but no worries, simply roll it up and unroll all languages, and right here for sure you will be able to find the language you want to use. So that's a quick disclaimer about the list, and right now let me find the language which is I'd like to say graphical, in order to show you the difference. I will pick Greek. So all you have to do after finding the language you'd like to pick is to tap on it. So let me pick Greek. As you can see, it will download and it will appear at the top of the list. Right here we can tap on this Greek section and we can simply check the keyboard layout which we can apply. As you can see, in English I've got QWERTY, and right here we've got just Greek. So just tap on the stick icon, we can go to the top of the list to check whether the Greek is available here. As you can see, it is here, it is also turned on. So let's go back to the keyboard and check, because we have to check how to change the keyboards. As you can see, right now we've got regular English keyboard which we had before, and in order to change it to the Greek, because we've got two different languages applied, we have to swipe on the spacebar to the left or to the right, it does not really matter. As you can see, after swiping I can easily change the layout to the Greek one and type in Greek. I can swipe again, and here we've got English, and again Greek. So that's quite cool. It's really easy. However, I've just shown you how to add the language to the keyboard, and right now I'd like to show you how to remove it, because sometimes you don't really want to have two different languages or three different languages added. You just want to have one. So in order to remove, for example, previous language, we will have to enter the three dots icon again and the settings, tap on the languages, and here in this section, first of all, we have to tap on the switcher to turn off particular language. So let me remove Greek, turn off Greek. Let me tap on it, and basically if we will get back right now to the keyboard, we will have only English. However, the Greek is still here, because if you will decide later on that you want to turn it on, you don't have to swipe and look for it again. However, if you want to remove it completely from this list at least, simply tap on it and hold it and tap on delete. As you can see, we've got only English left, and after getting back we can see that we cannot swipe on the spacebar. What is more, I forgot to say that. However, on the spacebar you've got also the name of the language you are currently using. If you've got only one applied, you don't have any name at all. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.